All right, so I'm going to show you real quick how to edit or add things to your portfolio just because I think this is the thing you're probably going to do the most frequent, and this is something that only you'll really know what these projects are and all of that. So I'm creating a gallery page for you right now that's going to have um, each project name, like place number one, place number two will be its own box, and then people can pick which category. It'll have hardscapes and landscape, like hardscaping and landscaping up top here. They can choose which ones they want to look at. But in the meantime, when you're logged into the back end of your website, and this will be explained in the tutorial on how to make edits. But for now, I just want to make this separate video. If you are logged into your back end, and you'll know how to do that from the tutorial, go to portfolio and you'll see the test I've already got in here, test one. And I started test two, and then I was like, maybe I better record this just so that you know. But you'll go to, we're going to add a new portfolio item. And then we're going to check the title. So this could be place number two, whatever the name of the place is, if you want to add a name. We're going to choose which category. I'm going to do hardscaping for this one. I'm going to pick a featured image, which is basically the highlight of that project. And we'll choose this one. And then we're going to create a little gallery in here of all the photos for that project. So I'm going to hit add media. At this point, you're going to create a gallery, but you can also start uploading folders by just picking all the ones from whatever device you have them stored on, dragging them to this window, and it'll automatically upload. I don't know what's going on with some of these, but I'm going to go ahead and create a gallery and choose which photos I want in it. I don't know which photos match what, so I'm just going to choose 4 photos. You can see them checked here. Create gallery. I'm going to change so that it links to the file itself, the media file, when they click on it, if they want to see a bigger version. I'm going to go with 2 columns because we want them to see as much detail as possible, and I want to see the biggest version of the image as possible. So I'm going to choose full size as well. And then I'm going to insert that in. So that's kind of what it's going to look like, but what we're going to do is publish. And then I'm going to, I guess I should just view this. This is what this page looks like while it's under construction. Now you can see the hardscape. So if I only want to see hardscaping items, it's going to only show those, which is the latest one we put in here, place number two. If I only want to see landscaping, it's only going to show those. Or if I want to see everything. So now I see both, and I might do a little divider here. So when I click on place number two, I have to do the style of this page, but it's basically going to look like this, where they can click on it, kind of go through. We can put as many details as you want on this page of how you want it to display, but it'll basically have the name. If you want some details about what you did, we can put those kind of fields on there. So yeah, that is how you will add stuff to your gallery. Now, if there's certain things that you want to do differently, I might have to rebuild this differently, but for now, I figured this was the easiest way to do it. Now, if there's ever a time where you want to add more text or something to this page in particular, well, we'll go over that in the tutorial video of how to edit like the title, this background photo. I know it probably looks funky. I was just choosing a random photo, but that's how you're going to add all of these different projects under and categorize them under here. Now, if you're ever editing and you're like, I need a third category because this is your portfolio categories, you can hit add new portfolio category, type its name, and then hit to add it as a new category, and it'll automatically add it to that menu, and then update. And that will be a new category that you can put things in if you want. But that's your basics on how to do the edits for your portfolio.